another visitor. This time, it's a female. This is just where he wants her. Time to begin the show.
Are you bored by this pussy bullshit? Then you're gonna love Randy Attenborough's Bird Fights. Randy Attenborough has taken all the best parts of his illegitimate father, David Attenborough's movies, to bring you the best feathered fights around. You'll see bird versus bird. Bird versus rat. Bird versus child. Bird versus Tippi Hedren. Bird versus pig. Bird versus window. Spoiler alert. Window is undefeated.
Hi, I'm Randy Attenborough. And I'll make this movie because my dad, who refused to admit that I exist, makes shitty movies. And we all know the best parts of nature documentaries. It's when the animals beat the piss out each other. So I did you all a favor and took all those pieces and put them into one documentary. You're welcome. So take a peek and watch Randy Attenborough's Bird Fights and see the birds be like, oh, you little wanker, oh, caw. Explosion, birds, feathers everywhere. Order now.
The first 100 callers to purchase the 6 DVD set will receive a bonus DVD featuring Bird Fights, all the best fights of Larry Bird. So if you're a fan of birds and fights, then call now. 1-800-BRD-FGHT.
That's 1-800-BIRD Fight without the I. I thought of that myself. Pretty clever, huh?